let me read the question, that the length of the rectangle is thrice as long as the side of a square. The side of the square is 4 centimeter more than the width of the rectangle. So that means some relations are given between the length and breadth of this rectangle and the side of the square. Let us assume the length is L for this rectangle, right? Let us assume it. And the breadth of this given rectangle is B, right? Now, from this data, what is given to you, we can see that yes, the length of the rectangle is thrice as long as the side of the square, right? So that means the length of the rectangle, my dear friends, what is the length of the rectangle? So the length of the rectangle is length of rectangle is equal to L, and this is given to you that this L is thrice long as the side of the square. So that means this is equal to 3 times the side of the square. Okay, this relation is given to you, my dear friends, right? And the another relation is given that the side of the square is 4 centimeter more than the width of the rectangle, right? So that means it's given that width of the rectangle, if we say the width of the rectangle is B, then it's given that the width of the rectangle, the side of the square is 4 centimeter more than the width of the rectangle. That means if you consider the side of the square as A, this is 4 centimeter more. So just to compensate, what we need to be added into the LHS? 4. Then only LHS will become RHS, right? Then only the LHS will be equal to the RHS, right? Now, so these are the two relations which are given to you. These are the two relations which are given to you, my dear friends, right? Now with this data, the another relation is that their areas being equal, right? So from here we can say that area of rectangle is equal to area of a square, right? This is given to you. And what is the area of a square, my dear friends? You know it, side into side, that is A into A, right? And this is equal to the area of the rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle, my dear friends? Oh, you know it, L into B, exactly. So this will be equal to L into B. My dear friends, just keep only one variable, because here we have three variables, A, L and B, right? So just do one thing, just multiply A into A, it will become A square, and into the RHS, instead of L, put up this value 3A, right? So instead of L, just write 3A, and instead of B, we have put the value of L equal to 3A over here, right? L equal to 3A. And from here we can see the relation for the breadth, that B plus 4 is A, right? Then we can write, instead of this B, just write A minus 4, isn't it? A minus 4. This will give you a single equation, a quadratic equation into the form of A. Now with this, my dear friends, A square is equal to 3A into A, that is 3A square minus 12A, right? And when you just solve it, you will get the values like, let me squeeze a little. Yes, it's better now. And when you just solve it, you can see into the next line, 3A square into A. First of all, you can just cut 1A. So before that, you can write 12A going into the LHS will become plus, and A square going into the RHS become 3A square minus A square. Isn't it? Tell me. Isn't it? Now, with this, we can say that, yes, my dear friends, with this, we have one equation into the form of where A is the variable, and when you just solve it, you will get into the next line, 12A is equal to 3A square minus A square, that is equal to 2A square, right? And when you just solve it, 2 will divide 12 into 6 times, and this A will be divided by this A, and finally we get the value of 6 as a, right? So my dear friends, with this we need to find the dimensions, right? So the side of the square is a, right? So this is the side of the square, so we got the dimension of square. Now what is the dimension of rectangle, my dear friends? What is the dimension of rectangle? 3a and b. So for the square it is done, and for the rectangle, if you see, for the rectangle, what is the length? Length is equal to 3 into a. So that means 3 into the value of 6, right? This will give you 18. So 18 units is the length, right? And what is the value of breadth? Breadth is given by a minus 4. So breadth is given as a minus 4, and a is 6. So it will be 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. So these are the dimensions of rectangle. Dimensions we have calculated, my dear friends, right? So what are the values? 2 and 18. Let me see the answer, my dear friends. Let me see the answer. Oh, it's perfectly fine, and our answer is correct. So my dear friends, we can see how such questions can be solved. Basically this is a question from quadratic equation, but we are using the relations as given into the question to solve it. And finally we calculated the side of the square, and we calculated the dimensions of the rectangle also, that is length and breadth, right? And in this way this question is solved, my dear friends. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Happy learning. See you into the next class. Take care.